Peace. Get healthy with your boy. Check it out. I'm gonna show you how to properly do the colon, gut, and parasite cleanse. Okay, a lot of emails, a lot of DMs, a lot of text messages. How we do the colon cleanse right? All right. Now look, this is what we're gonna do. Now this paper right here got explain how to do it properly. So if you order the colon, gut, and parasite cleanse off the website, you will get this paper in your order with you, okay? But we're gonna go over it real quick, okay? All right, the purpose of this cleanse, okay? The natural elimination pathways encouraged by regular bowel movements, binding waste, and assisting the body to release unwanted organisms through the colon. All right, now, what is a binder and why is it important? Okay, a binder is a natural substance that helps bind toxins, waste, mucus, and debris in the digestive tract so it can be safely eliminated through the bowel movements, all right? Using a binder during the parasite cleanse help reduce toxins, reabsorption, and support smoother elimination. A binder is activated charcoal, all right? Or you can use something like chia seeds or flax seeds, all right? How many times per day do I use the cleanse? 2 to 3 times per day. 1 cup. All right. If you're a beginner, 1 to 2 times per day, and then increase as needed. All right. Best time to use if you work first shift. Okay. A dose early in the morning on an empty stomach. Second dose early in the evening, 2 hours after your last meal. Third dose, if you're doing that, mid-afternoon with no food. Okay, second shift job, night shift job. First dose when you wake up. Second dose before heading to work, at least 2 hours before you eat. And then third dose before you go to sleep. All right, once you digest done slow down a little bit, you know what I mean? Third dose. All right, now the binder timing. When to do the binder? 1 to 2 hours after the cleanse dose. Okay, do not take binders at the same time as meals, supplements, or medications. Okay, best foods to eat during the cleanse. The most supportive foods during the parasite cleanse is raw, high water, plant-based foods, easy to digest. Fresh fruits such as papaya, pineapples, berries, apples, melons, leafy greens like romaine, arugula, spring mix, okay? Raw vegetables, cucumber, celery, bell peppers, fresh made juice and smoothies, okay? Herbal teas, and plenty of coconut water or spring water. Why is raw foods more beneficial? Raw food contain live or living enzymes that support digestion and reduce the workload on the colon. They are high in structured water and help soften waste, move debris through the intestines, and flush out toxins more efficiently. Raw foods also do not create excess mucus, which is important because parasites thrive in thick, stagnant mucus environments. By eating raw foods, the body can focus more on energy, cleansing, and healing rather than heavy digestion. Okay? When to expect parasite elimination? Some people may notice in 7 days. All right? Others up to 3 weeks. Okay? Elimination may appear as mucus strands, rope-like material, specks, or unusual debris in the stool. Consistency, hydration, and regular bowel movements are key for this to happen. Okay? And a couple of tips to take with you. Drink plenty of coconut water. Eat light, raw meals or juices when possible. Avoid sugar, alcohol, meat, dairy, and processed food. And ensure to have 1 bowel movement per day. Okay? Now, take that with you. Like I said, you place an order on the website for the colon and parasite cleanse. You get this paper in your order with you. Okay?